Hello guys, this is your one and only 412145 Creeperhead, and welcome to Google Foot. And as you notice, I'm a new YouTube guide that, yeah, and I'm supposed to be Megabeat 2013 from the other YouTube. Check that out. I'm going to check that out in the description. But right now, I'm just going to tell you the good news and the bad news. The good news is I have a new channel and I'm starting off fresh. The bad news is that my MakeBeast 2013 account is not going to work at all. We are stuck between reality and reality right now. And right now, I just need to say, please hold on me and please subscribe and like to the video, I hope. And let's just get on with this. Okay, let's start with people. My feet smell like, what do my feet smell like? Like, my feet always smell like soap because I wash it, so, soap. Um, my feet smell like, what do my feet smell like specifically? My feet smell like dirt. My feet smell like, man, dive. No. My feet smell like clean jeans. Or, my feet smell like popcorn. Um, Kinda nasty, you ask me. Let's go to, right now, let's go to the question. What is worse than life? And what is worse than being killed? What is worse than, what is worse than, um, 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 what is worse than Donald Trump? What is worse than hate? The flu, death, I say being killed, cancer, hell, a child, hate, depression, hiding a worm in your apple, trash, radar. Okay? People, I need help with my homework. I need help with, I need help with, I need help with, I need help with doing something I hate. I need help with your mom. My mind. I need help with my mind, money, Facebook, my life, money badly, my rent, depression, my child behavior, food today, my moving, etc. Going to people because it's more challenging. I think my mom is, I think my mom is, no, not with another man, because I know I ain't doing it. So, I think my mom is dead? Nah, I still died. I'm sorry, y'all. Just ignore that. Because I know my mom's not dead, so I'm not putting that. I think my mom is depressed. I think my mom is asleep. I think my mom is cheating on my dad. I knew it! I knew it! I think my mom is crazy, dying, amazing, missing, going crazy, jealous of me, having an affair. Imagine you really saying that to your mom. I think I'm I think I'm what am I? I think I am great guy. I think I am uh, turd. I think I am girl. That. Oh! Yes! I think I am wait a minute, we'll be right back. I think I am a genius. I think I am a genius. What? I think I am a man. I think I am a god. I think I am a guy. I think I am a clone now. Who wants to take a thing on a banana tree? I'm just asking that. Just how I'm going back to people. How to raise, how to raise, how to raise, how to raise a baby. How to raise, wait, how to raise, how to raise HDL. How to raise, a kitten. Oh my gosh. How to raise all these things that I'm frustrated with. Wow. Okay. What if the microwave? What if the microwave dry ice? A clone. Why would the microwave plastic? Okay, why would the microwave nothing? A pencil, a pencil lead, an egg. What would you think was gonna happen? Okay. My friend is predicted to one. Okay. My friend is predicted to Minecraft. Okay. My friend is predicted to drugs. My friend is predicted to weed. Oh, we getting this in the bag. We are getting this in the bag, y'all. Do y'all see this? Oh my god. We got 4 answers right in a row. I need your help right now. What is my friend predicted to? Oh! Whoa! Oh, okay. We got this in the bag, y'all. We got this in the bag. We can do this. Guys, we got four left, okay? We got four left. Alright, what my friend predicted? Um, alright. We did it though. We got two left. We got it in the bag. How about right? Alright. I know we're going to do this wrong. I mean, it was actually worth it doing this with y'all though. So, I, I guess we're going to get it wrong. Alright, my friend predicted to Coke. Alright, my friend is predicted to Coke. Reddit. Even though I said Coke, because yeah, I've been right, and you know, League of Legends, you know, vaping, you know, read, Reddit, yeah, I guess. But, guys, that'll be it for today, and, I'm going to talk to y'all about a new YouTube thing. We got a song coming out, and, oh, wait a minute, we got a song coming out, it's called Take It Slowly by me, and the song is coming soon. So I want y'all to see the song, and I want y'all to experience what I got on there to make y'all happy and everything. And I really want you to see that I did a picture, and there's Makerbee 2013 right here, my channel before I made this channel. So you can check out all those old videos real quick. And anyway, yeah, if you want to see more, I will gladly be able to upload more videos for y'all, and I will, and that's it. What we gonna have today? I'm just showing y'all what's gonna be up, and I'm just gonna go out. So I'm glad to see y'all in the next video. Hey guys, I love you all.